Have you ever had a day during recovery where nothing seems dramatically wrong, but something just feels off? Maybe your shoulder feels tighter. Maybe it feels more uncomfortable than it did a few days ago. Maybe your sleep wasn't quite as good. And suddenly you start wondering if you should be doing something differently. I'm Dr. Dan, an orthopedic surgeon specializing in shoulder recovery. If you're not sure whether your recovery is on track, you can download the free shoulder recovery guide below. It's designed to help you better understand what to expect during the different stages of recovery. One of the most common patterns I see is that people assume every change means something important has happened. A symptom changes, a sensation appears, a good day is followed by a frustrating day. And the immediate reaction is often, what did I do wrong? The problem is that recovery rarely sends clear signals. That's where many people get stuck. They are looking for certainty from something that is often inconsistent by nature. A shoulder can feel different from one day to the next. It can feel different after a busy day. It can feel different after a poor night's sleep. It can even feel different for reasons that have very little to do with actual progress. One of the most important things to understand about recovery is that off days happen. Not every bad day means something is wrong. Not every increase in discomfort means you've damaged something. And not every setback feeling is actually a setback. The challenge is not just the symptom itself, the challenge is deciding what the symptom means. Most patients receive instructions, most patients attend follow-up visits, but the day-to-day interpretation of recovery signals is often left entirely up to them. That's where confusion starts, because when something feels off, people naturally want to respond. They change routines, they become more cautious, they start monitoring every sensation, or they begin questioning whether they're falling behind. What makes this difficult is that not every uncomfortable signal requires a change, and not every comfortable day means everything is progressing perfectly. In fact, one of the simplest recovery principles I can give you is this: don't judge your recovery by a single day. Judge it by the pattern over time. If today feels worse than yesterday, that may not mean very much. Recovery is often less about individual moments and more about patterns that develop over time. If the next several days all show the same trend, that's a different conversation. The risk is not necessarily the symptom. The risk is making unnecessary adjustments because the symptom was misunderstood. Over the past 20 years, I have treated thousands of shoulder patients, and this is a pattern I see over and over again. People rarely lose momentum because of one major mistake. More often, they lose momentum through a series of small decisions made without clear context. That's why understanding what you're experiencing matters, not because every signal is dangerous, but because every signal is easy to misinterpret. The next time you have a day where something feels off, try not to immediately assume you've done something wrong. Take a step back, look for the pattern rather than the moment. The free guide can help you better understand what to expect during recovery and which changes are more common than most people realize. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week